everyone, it's Laura Milligan. I'm so excited to share with you our Heartfelt card kit of the month for October. I can't believe it's October already, and of course that means Christmas is coming. So Sherry and I are featuring a Christmas card stamp-a-stack for October. We thought we would switch things up a little bit. So here's what you're going to get if you purchase this class. You will get the Merry Moose stamp set and the coordinating punch. And of course, this is sold as a bundle, so you save 10% on that purchase. And then we are also including this really fun, sparkly, beautiful ice Stampin' Glitter. Really fun. And then we are including, this is a stamp-a-stack, so we are including 2 different cards that we will complete for you and include in your kit. And look how that sparkly ice glitter almost looks like glistening snow on this card. So we will send you 2 complete cards and then the additional parts and pieces or make and takes to make 3 more of each card. So you will end up with 4 cards of each, so a total of 8 cards when you're done. Then we're going to add, as just a little bonus project, this cute little treat holder. And I love the sentiment on this, enjoy the stillness of the season. So you will also get the parts and pieces for that. And then I'm also including a little PDF tutorial for this card. This is one that I shared on my blog and posted to Pinterest, and it has been receiving a lot of repins and a lot of activity, and so I thought I would just include the PDF because you'll have the stamp set and the punch and you'll be able to easily duplicate this card as well. So that's another little bonus. We will provide everything for you to make these cards. The only thing you will need will be the ink, which I used the Shaded Spruce, Cherry Cobbler, and Tuxedo Black Memento ink. Now, because tomorrow is World Card Making Day, October 5th, we decided to have a little fun and include, if you purchase this kit today or tomorrow before the end of the day on Saturday, you will get an extra bonus. Because World Card Making Day is all about sending cards, we thought, why not give you an extra packet to make an additional 1 of each of the 2 cards. So you'll actually have 10 cards once you get everything all assembled. Now the beauty of our Heartfelt card kits to go is that we do all the prepping for you. We punch, we use our die cuts to cut out the different shapes. We do all the embossing. Everything is prepped and ready for you to go. You will be invited to our exclusive Facebook group where we will be sharing other ideas with the Merry Moose bundle, and you will be given a video. We'll do a Facebook Live. I will show you step by step how to put these cards together. If you're not on Facebook, that's fine. We can send you a link to the video once we have it on Facebook as a live. So we are super excited about this. So my pricing, and of course Sherry's will be a little bit differently because she's in Canada, but my pricing is including the Merry Moose bundle, all the parts and pieces for 10 different cards, and then the Stampin' Ice Glitter, and that is going to be $45. If you need shipping, that's an additional $8. I ship priority mail and in a padded envelope. So I hope that you will take advantage of this, and I hope that you will purchase quickly. You can purchase by emailing either Sherry or myself. I will put our email information at the bottom of this video, so you can refer to that for more information. Thank you so much, and have a great day.